If you want to make your text bigger in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to change the font size precisely so you can make your text larger in just a few clicks. Whether you're editing a thumbnail, a banner, a social media graphic, or any other design, this method will help you scale your text exactly the way you want. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure your text layer is selected in the Layers panel. If you haven't already selected the text, grab the Type tool by pressing T on your keyboard, or click the Type tool from the toolbar on the left. You can also double-click the text layer thumbnail in the Layers panel to quickly highlight the text you want to edit. Once the text is active, Photopea will let you change its formatting settings. Now look at the top options bar. This is where you'll find the font controls, including the size field. If you don't see the options bar right away, you can also open the character panel from the right sidebar by going to Window, then Character. In the character panel, you'll see the same size control along with other text settings like font family, spacing, and alignment. To make your text bigger, click inside the size field. You might see a number like 24px or another pixel value depending on your current text settings. From here, you have two simple options. The first option is to type in an exact size manually. For example, if you want the text to be much larger, you can type 100 and press Enter. This is the best method when you want precise control over the final look. The second option is to hover your cursor over the word as or directly over the px value until your cursor changes into a double-headed arrow. Once that happens, click and drag left or right to scrub the text size up or down in real time. Dragging to the right makes the text bigger, and dragging to the left makes it smaller. This is really useful if you want to visually adjust the size until it looks perfect in your layout. As you increase the size, keep an eye on your design so the text doesn't overflow or get cut off. Sometimes making the text larger will also affect spacing and positioning, so you may want to move the text box or resize other elements around it to keep everything balanced. If needed, you can also adjust the font style or line spacing to make the text easier to read. When you're happy with the new size, press Enter on your keyboard or click the check mark in the top bar to apply the changes. That final step confirms the new font size and locks in your edit. After that, your text will stay bigger and ready for the next part of your design. So that's how to make your text bigger in Photopea using the font size controls. It's fast, simple, and gives you exact control over your text appearance. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Photopea tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.